Before we begin, hit that subscribe button so you never miss my quick Google Sheets tips. Today I'll show you how to adjust cell size in Google Sheets so your data looks cleaner and is easier to read. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Select the file you want to edit or create a new one. To adjust column width, hover your mouse over the line between two column letters, like between A and B, until your cursor changes. Then, click and drag to the right to make it wider or to the left to make it narrower. Now, to adjust row height, do the same thing but between two row numbers on the left side of your sheet. Drag down to make rows taller or up to make them shorter. For a more precise adjustment, right-click on the column letter or row number, select resize and enter the exact pixel size you want. You can also choose Fit to Data so Google Sheets automatically adjusts the size to fit your content perfectly. And that's it. Now you can quickly customize your column widths and row heights for a neater, more professional spreadsheet. If this helps you, give the video a like, drop a comment and subscribe for more quick Google Sheets guides.